Hands. Hey, hey, drop it. Drop the gun. Drop the fucking gun. Drop the gun. I need you to drop the gun. Watch his arm.
Give me your other hand now.
Grab that arm. Grab that arm.
On March 20th, 2025, a 911 caller reported a man armed with a gun and a knife sleeping in an alley behind Annunciation Catholic School. Denver police officers responded and located the man, 57-year-old Jose Medina, who is partially concealed by cardboard boxes. As an officer moves a box, they see what appears to be a handgun in Medina's possession.
Hey, 30 Sam, hold the air for a minute. We're going to be 35 on our block, Lafayette, Humboldt Alley. You guys leave the show. We'll just contact me.
Hey, keep your hands where we can see them.
Hey. Hands. Hands. Hey, hey, drop it. Drop the gun. Drop the gun. Drop the gun. Don't do it. Don't do it. Drop the fucking gun. Drop the gun. Back behind cover. Back behind cover. Come up, come up, come up, come up! Drop the fucking gun! Drop the gun!
One of the officers, John Wickiser, attempted to de-escalate the situation, speaking directly to Medina in an effort to build rapport and convince him to surrender peacefully. But Medina did not comply.
I'm not fucking playing! Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Drop the fucking gun on me. Why you sneak up on me?
Drop the fucking gun. So we gotta call out here.
For what?
Listen, man, you drop the gun, I'll drop mine.
Shit.
Drop the gun.
That guy did that. Good, yeah.
Drop the fucking gun.
Guy, back. Go ahead, bro.
Hey! Listen, hey! Stop! Stop! Look at me! Look at me, I'm talking to them. I'm talking to them.
Why you guys go
Hey,
over
listen,
now?
listen. Drop the gun, and I'll drop mine. Drop the gun, and I'll drop mine. Drop the gun, and I'll drop mine. But I need you to drop the gun.
You're fired.
I need you to drop the gun.
Shots fired. Shots fired.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Get the gun, get the gun, get the gun. Watch his arm.
Give me your other hand now.
Grab that arm, grab that arm. Yep.
I got cuffs, Rick, I got cuffs.
All right, cuff this arm. Let him know. Hey, let him know officer involved shooting. Yep.
Let's move him out.
EMS is clear in. All right. All right. Roll him over.
Hey, keep your hands where you can see them.
Hey. Hands, your hands.
Hands where we can see them.
Drop the gun.
Drop the gun.
Drop the gun. Don't do it. Don't do it.
We got one at gunpoint.
Drop the gun.
I got it.
Behind cover. Back behind cover. Drop the gun. Drop the fucking gun. Drop the gun.
Open the door. Open the door.
I'm not fucking fighting. Drop the gun.
One at gunpoint. He's not dropping the gun.
Drop the fucking gun. We got a call out here. What? Listen, man, you drop the gun, I'll drop mine. Drop the gun. Drop the fucking gun. Hey!
Drop your gun.
Stop! Stop! Look at me. Look at me. I'm talking to them. I'm talking to them.
You gotta close
Hey,
it out
listen.
with now.
Listen. Drop the gun. And I'll drop mine. Drop the gun. And I'll drop mine.
Yep.
Gun. And I'll drop mine.
Yeah.
I need you to drop the gun. I need you to drop the gun.
Shots fired, shots fired.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Drop.
33 Sam, shots fired, shots fired.
Get the gun, get the gun. Watch his arm.
Give me your other hand now.
Grab that arm. Grab that arm. Yep.
I got cuffs. Like I got cuffs.
All right, cuff this arm. Let him know. Let him know officer involved shooting. Yeah. Yep.
Let's move him out.
EMS. All right.
No.
All right. Roll him over.
Medina was struck by multiple rounds. Officers immediately ceased fire, secured the scene, and called for medical assistance, but Medina succumbed to his injuries. The weapon recovered from Jose Medina was not a conventional firearm. It's an airsoft pistol, a realistic-looking facsimile of a Smith & Wesson handgun capable of firing projectiles but not live ammunition. The Denver District Attorney's Office investigated a shooting and concluded that the officer's belief that the airsoft pistol was a real deadly firearm was objectively reasonable given its realistic appearance and Medina's actions. The DA stated that when Medina raised the replica and pointed it at officers, they were legally justified in their belief that he was about to shoot them. Therefore, their use of deadly force was a legally justifiable act of self-defense and defense of others. As a result of this finding, no criminal charges were filed against the officers.